guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and in today's unboxing video we have the Porter Airlines Bombardier -8 q-400 by Gemini Jets. This one is a 2014 release, I believe, and it is pretty rare. It is a 1:400 scale and it's actually pretty rare. It's hard to find. I found it on eBay for around $150, that's US. So yeah, these things are getting pretty expensive. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today, and yeah, let's just get right to this unboxing. I'm glad this seller decided to wrap this up in plastic wrap, because I don't like getting my models in damaged. That would just suck. But yeah, the model itself and the box itself is pretty beautiful. Here's how it looks. It's amazing. Superior quality 1:400 die-cast metal, realistic metal landing gear, which sounds nice. Detailed printed graphics, I'm not too sure about that. As real as it gets features. We'll see about that. This is the Bombardier q-400 1:400 die-cast model. It's an adult collectible model, and it contains a lot of choking hazard parts. And yeah, the model itself is pretty beautiful, I'd say that. I mean, the box itself is pretty beautiful. And it's pretty interesting packaging here. It's got some tissue here. Well, that's new. Let's just check out the model. Box is pretty damaged, but that's expected for a model that's so old. And look at this, I got a paper from here. Do not push down hard. Do not push down hard forward. I do not know what that is about. I've never seen anything like this in the 1:400 q-400s, so let's just hope the plane is not broken, because I bought this on eBay for like $200 Canadian basically. It's a pretty rare model. There you go. And the q-400 itself, I don't know why it's so wrapped in this tissue, but the seller has his reasons. But anyways, here's the awesome looking q-400. It looks amazing. But I do notice a lot about this model. There is the gear wheel on the left engine is basically missing, and I don't see anything else missing from the plane. But yeah, that's what you get for around $200 for this 1:400 scale plane. Am I glad I bought this plane? Well, yeah, I can always part out a plane for the wheel here. But other than that, this plane is pretty amazing. It's pretty good. It's pretty detailed, like Gemini Jets said it would be. And yeah, this is a pretty good condition model compared to what other condition models are like. Basically, this is as real as it gets for a plane from 2014. Not so bad, eh? It's actually a pretty good model. Yeah. Now, I might use this in my airport updates until I can... Well, after I find a wheel gear for this. I might just use one off the WestJet Saab 340s, because I have so many of them. But yeah, this plane is pretty good. I'm glad I was able to get my hands on one, because these things are pretty rare. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. And as always, have a nice day.